Hi kids, welcome back to my English channel. Let's review your previous lesson. Chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau ôn tập lại nội dung bài cũ, bài thoại rất là dài và khó. Now let's listen and repeat after me. Các em nghe và nhắc lại theo cô giáo nhé. Can I help you, Daddy? Help. Can I help you, Daddy? Yes, please, Lucy. Can you help me find some things? Sure, Daddy. Is the mirror in the kitchen, Lucy? Yes, it is. Here you are. 2. Is the picture in the bedroom? Let me see. Yes, it is. That's great. 3. Is the sofa in the living room? Oh, no, it isn't. That's okay. We can find it later. We can find it later. 4. Is the table in the living room? No, it isn't. Okay, do you see a box? Yes. Look in the box, Lucy. Wow, Daddy, there's a little cat. There's a little cat. It's for you. Welcome to our new house.